For this unboxing video, we are going to unbox the Sony α7sII, a Rokinon 24mm lens to install on it, and a Rode microphone. It's an on-camera shotgun microphone that you can attach to the top of the camera. Okay, let's open up the Sony α7. In this top compartment here, we have multiple instructions booklets, some catalog for other items, accessories and such, and instructions in different languages as well. Fold this part over. We have a strap for safety, less likely to drop it. Open here. We have battery charger. This little mount here can help organize cables, slide them through different ports. Next, inside of this bag here, we have the actual DSLR camera. Really no additional setup for it, just needs a lens, needs the battery input, which needs to be charged as well. So we'll put that here. I can lift up this section of the box, and out of that we get a USB cable that you can use to charge the battery while it's in the camera. You could probably also transfer data, photos and video off of it by plugging this end into a computer, but if you plug that end into this piece that I just pulled out of the bag and plug that into the wall socket, you can charge the battery inside of the camera. And it comes with two batteries. So essentially you could put one inside of the camera and use the USB and wall adapter to charge one battery. The other battery could go inside of the other wall charger, sliding it in like so, and plugging it in. So you can charge two at the same time with everything that comes inside of this box. And that is it for this box. But a DSLR without a lens is no good and doesn't look nearly as cool. So what we have is a Rokinon cine lens made for Sony cameras. This is a 24mm. Pull off the piece of foam. We have an instruction manual and a certificate of quality right here. There is a soft material bag that you can put the lens into, and then is the lens. The lens is wrapped in plastic and seated into another piece of foam to hold it in place. That's it for that box. Now we have a lens, a nice cine lens to install onto the camera. To get a little better audio than the on-camera microphone, we have this video mic by Rode Microphones. Actually just ripping it, there's a piece of plastic or tape holding that in place there. Slides out. Not a whole lot to this one. Here's your microphone. It's a shotgun microphone. You put in a 9-volt battery here. You pop open this piece, 9-volt battery goes in, reinstall that piece. Plug this into the camera. There's a microphone port over here, and then we have some switches here for off, on, and with a high pass filter. And then you've got some different recording levels with negative 10 dB, 0, and plus 20 dB if you're in a really low sound zone. So with these, you got yourself the setup for a pretty nice DSLR video production camera.